Have you ever wondered why some people keep getting richer while others struggle to survive? It's not just about income, it's about mindset and daily habits. The rich follow certain rules that help them grow wealth, while the poor often make mistakes that keep them stuck. The good news is, you can change your habits and start thinking like the wealthy. Let's dive into 10 things rich people do that poor people don't. Number 1. They invest instead of just save. Rich people don't just save money, they make it grow. They invest in stocks, businesses, real estate, and other assets that increase in value over time. Poor people often focus only on saving in a bank, which loses value due to inflation. Investing is about making money work for you rather than working for money forever. The key difference is knowing that wealth is built by growing money, not just keeping it. Number 2. They focus on multiple income streams. Wealthy people don't rely on just one source of income. They build businesses, invest in assets, and create passive income streams. Poor people, on the other hand, often depend on a single paycheck, leaving them vulnerable to financial difficulties. If that one job is lost, they have no backup plan. Rich people create safety nets by having multiple ways to earn money. Number 3. They see money as a tool, not just a necessity. Rich people understand that money is a tool for creating opportunities. They use it wisely to invest, learn, and grow, instead of spending it impulsively. Poor people often see money as something to be spent immediately, or something they never have enough of. This mindset keeps them in survival mode instead of wealth-building mode. The rich focus on growing money, while the poor focus on using it up. Number 4. They read and learn constantly. Rich people never stop learning. They read books, take courses, and surround themselves with knowledge that improves their skills and mindset. Poor people often stop learning after school and believe education is only for formal settings. But knowledge is what helps people spot opportunities and make smarter financial choices. The more you learn, the more you earn. Number 5. They surround themselves with success-oriented people. Your environment shapes your future. Rich people network with others who inspire them and help them grow. Poor people often stay in circles that reinforce limiting beliefs and unhealthy habits. Who you spend time with affects your mindset and decisions. If you want to succeed, surround yourself with successful people. Number 6. They manage their time wisely. Time is the most valuable resource. Rich people plan their days, set goals, and prioritize tasks that bring them closer to success. Poor people often waste time on distractions like TV, social media, or activities that don't add value. Every wasted hour is an opportunity lost. If you don't control your time will control you. Number 7. They take calculated risks. Rich people understand that risk is necessary for growth. They analyze opportunities, take smart risks, and learn from failures. Poor people often avoid risks due to fear of losing money or making mistakes. But without risk, there is no reward. The difference is that the rich take educated risks, while the poor avoid them completely. Number 8. They stay disciplined even when no one is watching. Rich people don't rely on motivation alone. They build habits that keep them disciplined. They set goals, stick to routines, and push through challenges even when they don't feel like it. Success doesn't come from one lucky break, but from consistent effort over time. While others may relax or waste time, they keep moving forward. This discipline is what separates them from those who only dream of success. Number 9. They avoid unnecessary debt. Rich people understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. They use loans for investments like real estate or business growth, but avoid debt for things that don't bring value. Poor people often get trapped in credit card debt, buying things they can't afford. Instead of letting debt control them, wealthy people make their money work for them. They know that financial freedom comes from making smart money choices. Number 10. They take action instead of just dreaming. Many people talk about their dreams, but few take real action. Rich people don't just wish for success, they work for it. They take risks, make decisions, and learn from failure instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Meanwhile, poor people often get stuck in analysis paralysis, always waiting but never starting. The difference is simple. Action creates results, while hesitation leads to missed opportunities. Success is not just about luck. It's about habits, mindset, and daily choices. The rich follow patterns that help them grow wealth, while the poor repeat habits that keep them stuck. If you want to change your financial future, start by changing your habits today. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most?